Hello students, so after that first portion, today's second portion, that is what that is rocks. After we already got that how earth interior structure, and now we have to learn earth crust, rock and minerals. So here is different type of rocks we will learn. So here again you can see nice video from the digital class, though you cannot come to school, so you can enjoy here also. So here is different type of rocks. See, here is igneous rock, then intrusive rock, then extrusive rock, sedimentary rock, metamorphic rock. So these are different type of rocks what we get, and these rocks it's different type of rocks. So here is you can see igneous rock is also known as primary rock. Hard rock are hard resistant rock. Primary rock it's known as primary rock, and intrusive rock. Under there are two main rock, igneous rock, intrusive and extrusive. What is intrusive rock are formed what when molten material, गला हुआ material जो solidified solid हो जाता है before reaching the earth से पहुंचने से पहले ही, जैसे granite है ये सब. Then extrusive rock. So these are what different type of rocks. So you can watch this and you can understand better.
From rocks which you use in your school life every day. Well, yes. The lead of a pencil is made from graphite, which is a rock. Rocks are all around us. We make our floors from marble and walls from sandstone. Even salt is obtained from rocks. All these rocks are formed in different ways. So, we have three main types of rocks. These are igneous rocks, sedimentary rocks, and metamorphic rocks. Igneous rocks are formed when molten magma cools and solidifies. The Deccan Plateau of India is made up of igneous rock. Based on where they are formed, there are two types of igneous rocks. When magma cools and solidifies on the Earth's surface, the igneous rock formed is called an extrusive igneous rock. Basalt is an extrusive igneous rock. However, when magma cools within the Earth, the igneous rock is referred to as intrusive igneous rock. Granite is an intrusive igneous rock. Sedimentary rocks are formed from already existing rocks that are broken down or eroded by wind or water. When they break down, the particles called over time, as the sediments get deposited, they form layers. Each layer presses down on the previous one, forming a sedimentary rock. Sedimentary rocks are of three types. Let's look at each type. Sedimentary rocks which form due to pressure from the layers deposited above are called mechanically formed sedimentary rocks. Sandstone is formed in this manner. Other examples of mechanically formed sedimentary rocks are breccia and shale. When organisms in the sea die, their remains settle on the seabed as sediment. Over a period of time, more sediment is deposited and layers form. As more layers get added, the pressure over thousands of years and rocks are formed. Such rocks are called organically formed sedimentary rocks. One example of this kind is limestone. Another kind of organically formed sedimentary rock is coal. Coal is formed when dead remains of plants such as leaves, branches and parts of the bark collect over extremely long periods of time. The pressure from the upper layers results in the formation of this rock. Sometimes, water dissolves the minerals in a rock and carries them away. Eventually, the water evaporates and leaves behind layers of these minerals. These rocks are known as chemically formed sedimentary rocks. Rock salt is a chemically formed sedimentary rock. Other examples are gypsum and calcite. Let's take a look at how metamorphic rocks are formed. Metamorphic rocks are formed when igneous or sedimentary rocks are subjected to heat or pressure or both over a long period of time. This causes the original rock to change into a new one. So, when an igneous rock like basalt undergoes a lot of heat and pressure, it changes into schist, while a sedimentary rock like limestone changes into marble. Schist and marble are both metamorphic rocks. Here's a quick tree diagram that should help you remember the classification of rocks.